Hi guys, I saw in comments that you have a problem to install two icons of Guns of Glory from two different shops to play in the same time on two accounts in Bluestack without using multiroom. So now I will show you how to do it step by step. We have to put Amazon. Oh yeah, I have it here, Amazon.com, and now here App Store. Here, download now, get Amazon App Store, download one more time, open, install, open, and now we will have to or create a new Amazon account or we will have to sign in. I have already my account there, so I will just sign in. If you don't have, click create a new. I have, so it will be a little bit faster. Now I have to log in, so I will make pause for a moment. Okay, I'm just there. So now Guns of Glory. Install. Okay, that's going. So now I will tell you something. I don't know why there is a problem with installing Guns of Glory. If I already have it from Amazon, I cannot install it from App Store. So that's why I don't have three accounts. Yeah. Otherwise I will install three. So I have one I have from Amazon and one I will have from Huawei AppGallery. These two are working together. So why I'm showing these two? Maybe I will try to fix the problem with Play Store or Google Store. I don't know what you are using, but for now two accounts are good for me. So I will make maybe pause for a few minutes. Okay, we have it. So install now. In next step I will just open Guns of Glory game and I will leave it open. So it will take a few seconds because it's the first time. In the comments or below the video like that, under the video I will put the links for Amazon Store, for Huawei AppGallery, and for the Bluestack. If somebody don't have Bluestack, it will be much more easy to download. Go. It's amazing sometimes how long we have to wait until the game will start. Okay, so now next step, as you see, we have one account here, so we can log in our account there. In next step, we will use Huawei App Gallery. Paste. Oh no, it's from Bluestack. Sorry. Huawei, yes, but. Okay, wait a second. Okay, I just paste the address from which I'm downloading App Gallery. It will be in section below the video. So install now. I don't gonna maybe put pause. I hope it will go fast. Yeah, sorry it's not so fast, but if you will have any questions, any more problems, the best way will be to join my group, our group on Facebook, Guns of Glory Players group, and there you can just call me via Messenger or message me as you want. I can help you, and I can even put my screen in live so you can see it. Yes. Or I can even help you. We can make remote help, so that's no problem. So I can for a moment use your game, but without using your login and password. So you can see everything what I'm doing on your screen. You can even stop it if you don't gonna like something. Yeah? Okay, Google. Sorry, Guns of Glory. Gooms. Sorry. Of Glory. And now downloading from AppGallery. Of course, it will take more space in your memory. That's normal. I know that people are angry because the game is taking so much space in memory. But you know, if it won't take so much and everything will be in the server, I think the game will be so slow that you don't gonna even want to play them. Okay, let's do pause for a moment. Okay, I'm back. So install. As you see here, I have open one account. From Amazon. And now we have to click open, and as you see we have two accounts working in the same time on one Bluestack without multi-room. So we can skip here. Yeah, I was not logging into this account for a longer time, so now this one will log in. A problem will be now, I think, because both of accounts will log into the same account in game. Yeah. So as you know, let's say that's the account A, and this one too, so they cannot be open at the same time. But I don't gonna take time now to log into another. So what I will do here, when it will start, I will just log into some other account, so one of my farms, and here and then I will go back here and I will log in here, let's say to my main. So I will have always my main start here, and here I will just change accounts, or I can change in both. Yeah, as you know, the same account won't gonna work in two, so that's only one thing which cannot be done, or maybe can be, I don't know yet. So okay, go. Yeah, you see, that's the same account as on Amazon now. So when I will log in here, it will go out here. Yeah, and as you can see here, you have, and even looking more nice than before. So Amazon and Guns of Glory from Amazon, Huawei and Guns of Glory from Huawei, 2 accounts in one Bluestack. In next videos I will try to show you some nice, more nice things. Maybe some of players will be a little bit angry on me, but yeah, why not? Everybody can know that. So you are welcome in my group. If you like my videos, put like, subscribe my channel. For sure there will be something for people which are subscribing my channel and they are in our group, Guns of Glory players group. Yeah, some nice things. If you will be there, you will see. So thanks very much for watching. I hope I help you. So bye and see you later.